I'm going to make my pasta, pesto, and pea salad for my picnic. So I cooked the pasta already. I actually made two different kinds, bow ties, little bow ties, and fusilli, these, but you can use any kind of dried pasta. So the first thing I'm going to do is make pesto, which is wonderful. It's this basil and garlic, really old-fashioned Italian thing. So I need a little bit of walnuts in the food processor, about 1/4 cup. Tablespoon of pinoles, which are pine nuts. Pesto is usually made with one or the other, but I like the flavor when you make it with both. Next ingredient is garlic, like 3 big pieces of garlic, and salt and pepper. Salt. And lots of pepper. I like it really spicy. Lots of pepper. And then 1½ cups of basil. Just dump it right in. And I'm going to puree this. And then while that's going, I'm going to pour in about 1/3 cup of olive oil. Right through the feed tube. So that's basic pesto, and then I'm going to add a few more ingredients to make a sauce. For some Parmesan cheese. I actually add spinach. It's frozen chopped spinach that's been defrosted, about 1/2 package. And about 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. And just a squeeze of fresh lemon. This is a really great sauce on pasta because it's spicy and it's flavorful. There we go. Nice lemon. The lemon and the spinach are going to keep the pesto from turning brown. So that's the pasta and the pesto. I'm going to toss this together. So you can really smell the garlic, and you see the spinach has kept the pesto really green. So now we have pasta pesto. We need peas. So I have the frozen peas that I've defrosted. I'm just going to add some, maybe 1/2 package. And for lots of flavor, I'm going to add more Parmesan cheese. It's a little more salt. And pepper. And the last ingredient is pinole nuts. I think these really add just a great flavor to the salad. And they look great, so it's green and white. So let's make sure this tastes right. Oh, it's got so much flavor. Parmesan and basil and garlic. We love that garlic. So that's all ready.